Buenos dias from Barcelona, Spain. I am Ashley with Winging It with Ash. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm headed on a big adventure today. Before starting this video, I thought I'd tell you about the sponsor quickly, Babbel. Babbel is the world's first language learning app. The reason I've come to the beach and the reason why I love Babbel is because I can do it from anywhere. Not only can I study at the beach, but I can also study here. And I can study here. I can study even here. The other amazing thing is that they offer so many different languages. If you're interested in learning French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, Swedish, Turkish, Dutch, Polish, Indonesian, Norwegian, or Danish, you can find them all on the Babbel app. Babbel offers multiple ways to learn in its ecosystem. So no matter what the best way is for you to learn, you can find it on the app. One of the best things, the most fun things that are available are games. Who doesn't like to have fun while learning? So the games is definitely my favorite option on the Babbel app. It's something I don't get in my live in-person classes that I can enjoy while using the app. Babbel is a very affordable app that you can use as often as you like. Currently, they are running an offer for 30% off 6 months, a year, or a lifetime. So no matter how much time you need to learn a language, you'll be able to get 30% off with my link down below. So thank you again to Babbel for sponsoring this video, and now it's time to get back to my hike in Andorra. I've recently moved to Barcelona, Spain, and it's been great so far. One of the things that are on my checklist is to make friends. So I've invited, or it just happened, 4 other people to go on a hike today, which is really exciting. And not only that, we are also doing a 3-hour road trip there and a 3-hour road trip back. So by the end, I'm pretty sure we'll get to know each other really well. None of us own cars, so we had to rent a car, which means waking up early for myself and my friend Rebecca to go to the airport and pick up our rental car.
You love Barcelona?
Sí, yeah.
Speak English?
Sí.
Where are you from?
US.
USA? USA of America.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Oh, from Morocco.
Morocco.
You visit Morocco?
Sí.
Where are you? What city you... Adios.
Adios.
What city you visited in Morocco?
A bunch of the different cities.
Different?
Yeah.
Name. You forget it?
Oh, yeah.
You visit all the world, huh?
Yeah, sí.
Yeah. I love America.
Cheers. You don't put milk in cortado? There's no milk in cortado?
It is milk.
There is milk. Ah, okay. I told her oat milk.
Oat milk. It's just normal milk.
No, I told her oat milk.
That's great. Thank you. Thank you for remembering.
Yes, of course.
We are doing good on
Yeah,
this.
thank you. I said
Extra. You got an extra.
I said oat milk for both of them. And then I was like, shoot, I don't know if cortado has oat milk, but I might as well ask. Nice, nice. Passing it. Flying colors.
Yeah, doing good. Doing good.
It's a petrol and it's a manual car.
Petrol and manual.
So to find it, just across the street on the Hertz parking. You'll see a yellow building, pretty easy to find.
We got the keys to our new little car. It's a cute little blue one. So the plan is to drive into town and pick up the other people coming in our party. We'll pick them up in the city, and then we have a 3-hour drive to a new country. The country of Andorra. Indication? Oh yeah. Check.
So it should be fine.
Doing it. Becca is now driving in the city of Barcelona, which is something neither of us have done. There are a lot of roads, freeways, highways, lots of lanes, which is surprising to me because, yeah, it looks like the US to me. Not much different. But yeah, headed into the city to pick up the rest of our party. That we were planning on taking here in Spain. Supposedly we're supposed to follow this river all the way to a lake on top of the mountain. Unfortunately, I think I got us lost on the way here. We drove at least 4 or 5 hours, so we're a bit behind schedule, but it is already absolutely stunning. To find this trail, we used an app called All Trails, which is an app that I use in the US quite often and didn't know that you can use it overseas, but I've used it in Wales and now here in Spain, or Andorra, which is a whole different country. The trail that we're going on, we will be gaining about 2,000 feet and in elevation, and it's about 5.8 miles, but it should be fairly moderate. Around the corner? Oh. Ahead of time I read that you should follow the yellow dots along this trail. So it's marked with these little yellow dots so you know the direction to go. Wow, how amazing! Nature is so beautiful. I appreciate it so much more when I've been in a city where I can't hear the birds, I can't hear the bugs, or a waterfall. Oh, it's so nice, so refreshing, and exactly what I needed when learning Spanish every single day. Back here, this trail just keeps getting better and better. But it looks like we're on our way up, so I might take that back in a minute or two. Don't let the beautiful scenes fool you. It is stunning. But climbing up is hard work. After almost hiking 1,500 feet, we have made it to the peak where it's super windy. A little bit higher there. But the lake we were going to is right over there. We're hoping to go into it for a swim. It's probably gonna be freaking freezing because this area is known for its skiing, which means the lake is full of melted snow. Freaking cold. Whew. Oh! I love the breeze. It's so nice. How incredible is that? There are even some little livestock down there. Mountain goats, maybe? I'm not sure. Oh my gosh. Those little goats have bells on them down at the bottom of the mountain. I can hear their bells ringing. So cute. If you guys like hiking, let me know in the comments below. And if you've ever been hiking in Europe, definitely put them in the comments below because I would love to go on some more hikes while I'm here exploring the mountains and Europe. We have made it to the beautiful lake on the mountain. We're gonna jump in the incredible mountain water. It's gonna be real fresh. The water is so clear and crisp. I haven't even felt how cold it is. Oh, I don't know. It's pretty fresh. Feels really good actually. It will be a shock though.
It is freezing.
Oh, that's why you jump instead of walking very slowly. So we're headed back up the mountain. The lake is behind me, but there's this little tiny fence here that I had no idea is actually the border of France. My friends just told me. So the lake is in France, just like over the border in France. That's pretty cool. We were in Andorra and then hiked to France to go to a French lake. What? I can't believe it. It's so cool. But now I'm dying again. Going up just to go down. I need to focus. As we walk down the mountain, the light is changing and the shadows are growing. It's absolutely stunning. This little valley that we came through on our way, the shadows of the mountain are now in it and we're gonna end up walking in there. It's absolutely incredible. Like to be able to walk in the afternoon when the sun is so high, but then to see the fly on my lens, but to see the light change and the sun almost going over the mountain to the other side. This is actually the perfect time of day. And the only way to get this is to start your hike a little bit later. We didn't plan it this way, but it worked out perfectly. I'm in the shadow of the mountain. Ah, so amazing. Look at this water river. I'm just gonna follow all the way back to the car. And then we have a 3-hour drive back to Barcelona to drop the car off at the airport and then go home. It's gonna be a late night, but totally worth it. I think the whole group's consensus is it was completely worth the long drive we had to do to get here. All right, it's practically golden hour. It's absolutely stunning, but we are gonna head back. The drive is a long drive, but I think I will end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed coming to Andorra and going on the hike with us. It was absolutely amazing. Highly recommend. Yeah, I have many more adventures coming, so be sure to subscribe to my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Adios from... Actually, I think they say adeo, adeo here. They speak Catalan here, so yeah, I think that's it. Okay, bye.
Yo,
Yo.
¿quieres?
No,
¿Por qué?
no.
¿Dónde eres?
It's Estados Unidos.
América.
Sí.
Yo, África, Senegal.
Yo sí.
Senegal.
Bien.
We live here.
Bienvenido.
¿Y tú vives aquí o acá
Sí.
en Turist?
Vives.
Una americana, ¿eh?
Sí.
¿Dónde vives en América? Los Ángeles?
Seattle.
¿Eh?
Seattle.
Una americana.
Seattle.
A ver tus ojos. Nice.
Bien, gracias.
Sí. What's your name? ¿Con quién hablas?
Ashley, sí.
TikTok?
No, YouTube.
YouTube.
Sí.
Familia o amigos.
Amigos.
¿Sí? ¿Todo bien?
Sí.
Americano que habla bien castellano, ¿eh?
Sí.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Ashley.
Ashra.
Yeah.
Mamadou.
Te
Senegal.
llamo
Mamadou.
Mamadou.
Yeah, Senegal.
Mucho gusto.
Igualmente. ¿Vives aquí o turista?
Vives para...
Para trabajar y estudiar.
Sí,